Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and we've got another one from Zenpop. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code TheRamenRater for a discount. This is from Yamadai, aka New Touch, and this is their Hokkaido Miso Butter Ramen, 3 minutes, 340 milliliters of liquid, and here is that liquid. Yeah, miso and butter. Okay. Yeah, my buddy Jamie, absolutely. Actually, he likes to go by the name the Reverend Dick Gazinia. And, yeah. He thinks putting ramen with corn in any way, shape, or form is a tragic and jailable offense. And there goes the corn, so, and we need 3 minutes on the, 1, 2, 3, there you go. So yeah. Ow! Son of a! It hurt. Put my finger on the side of the pot of boiling water. I didn't care. Yeah, there we go. Get a little swizzle. You might wonder why you don't see the bowl, like the styro bowl for these. It's because I know how much water exactly is needed. The fill lines are kind of funky on these Japanese varieties. And basically, I can just use the pot. So I do. So that's that. Yeah. So what's going on today? Another person gonna look at the dog, and she got her flea stuff on. You put it like on the back of her neck, and then it protects them from getting fleas. Advantage, Advanix, whatever. And so you don't want to mess around, because it's like, it's okay for them, it's not okay for us. So 24 hours. And I got kids, and they like to touch the dog, and the dog likes to jump on them, and the dog likes to chew the AC cable. Had a guy come over and fix our AC cable. So now we have air conditioning again. Yesterday it was hot. It was definitely needed yesterday. Today, not so much. But that's good. It's good. Good. Yeah, good. Yeah. And then I think maybe tonight, if there's time. Hopefully there is. We got another Zenpop snack box to do, and my daughter Mimi and I do a special show of the unboxing and tasting of everything in the box. Oh no! My laser dealie's dead. Gotta plug in the laser dealie. Check it out. This thing's pretty cool, man. It's USB, and it's rechargeable, and it's a laser show. Party light for a party. But it's out of juice, so I gotta plug her in. So that's what I'm gonna do. But it's pretty good stuff right here, man. And it's charging, right? Right. It's charging. How much time I got left? It's almost done, isn't it? Isn't it? It's almost done! Oh! You guys play Diablo? I'm not talking about Diablo 4. I'm talking about Diablo 1. I've been playing that a lot lately. Why would you play that? It's old. Because it's the best one of them. I don't know, 3 was good. I used to play 2 like endlessly. But now Diablo 1 has all these different mods and stuff, and then there's Hellfire, which was the add-on for it. And I don't know, I like Diablo 1 a lot. A lot. There's one called The Hell 2, and that mod is ridiculous. A lot of people don't like it because it's really hard. You can set all these things to like easy. It's still an absolute pain in the butt to get through that thing. which my buddy and I have. He got really far. Mr. Stumpy from North Little Rock. I've gone on plenty of 15-mile walks, and all we do is talk about the game, and while he's playing it, we can do like strategies and different things. It's fun. Nerding out. Look at that broth. Hey, this could be a contender, folks. But I have a feeling, I don't know, I'm gonna be a super fan of the miso. Noodle. Nice noodle. Broth. Corn. That's not corn, that's potato. That's corn. Too much red miso. Sorry, folks. The red, in that way, it's funk. And I don't like that level of funk. Yeah, we'll use this one. But the noodle's quite good. It'll do all right. I'm probably gonna give this one a 3.5 then. We'll see how I feel about it. What do you mean? Don't you just know? It's like, no, I gotta ruminate on this stuff. I take this crap seriously. What are you doing? Huh? Go, go, go. Maybe I'll have you in on the next episode. How about that? No, don't be getting all wacko on me. No, not acceptable. Is that? Oh. Is that carrot masquerading as woodier mushroom? I don't know what was going on there. That was strange. Alright, out of my chair. Go on. Little jerk messing with my chair. They've been doing pretty good. I took them out on another walk yesterday. And yeah, it's been good. Miles, come on. 5, 1. Go, go, go. Go sit on the couch or something. Not right there. That's where I put my feet. I would not wish that upon anyone. Why don't you go hang out where my feet go? No. No. You're gonna need to change the... Oh. That's a little better. Maybe I cranked it up when it was almost out of juice and I forgot to uncrank. It's possible. Alright, let's add our egg. Be nice to the couch, it didn't hurt you. Oh, I should have. Oh, this one's got that high forehead egg too. I don't know what else to call it, sorry. Oh, this is getting silly. My wife made these eggs, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you to my wife. And I don't know, they kind of didn't do as they should have. She said 2 of them popped. They were tasty, but they didn't, I guess, do very well. What the? Good God. When your soup spoon grabs your scissors, you have to question everything. That's one of those things that always bugged me. Just like, blah, 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 question everything. As like a motto. I don't know who uses that, but it's somebody's motto / tagline. And it's like, everything? Like the light switch? I don't know. That sounds like a quick way to become somebody known as being very irritating. Yeah, just question everything. You sure, dude? You sure? Oh, you always question everything. Shouldn't you? You know. God, yeah. Eyeball bites for that crap. A little bit of sashimi. Yeah, this one isn't like, my boat does not float on this. The noodle, though, I really dig the noodle. Yeah. Alright. Thanks for watching. The next one you're going to see is another one from Zenpop. Go to zenpop.jp. Use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. This is Marushan Kuta in collaboration with Kalbi and their Happy Butter Potato Chips. Yeah. This is Shiwase Butter Ramen. Look at that thing. See it? I don't know. We'll give it a try. Alright, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, it really helps me out and I appreciate it. Have a good one and bye-bye.